Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY I'll be showing you how to use this metallic heat transfer vinyl foil. And I'll be using this along with my Cricut. And as you guys know, I'm new to using a Cricut machine, so it's still a learning process. So I won't go into detail as of yet on how to do everything, step by step. Some of you already know, some of you don't. Again, I'm learning. Hopefully sometime soon I'll be able to just break it down and let you guys know exactly what I'm doing. And I also have a couple of pillowcases that I picked up from Amazon.com. I'll link this transfer vinyl along with the pillowcases below in the description box. Alright, so let's get started. I selected my image and used my Cricut to cut it out on the transfer paper. Okay, here's the foil after my image was cut into the transfer paper. I didn't want the word Versace at the bottom. It started to print it, but I deleted it. So I'm just going to cut that off. Next, I'll weed my image with this weeding tool. What I'm going to do is remove the ring right under her chin. And because this is a very intricate pattern, I'm going to use my scissors as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut it completely out. Okay, so now I have it completely cut out. I also printed out some decorative corners. So now I'll go ahead and cut these out and then weed them as well. Alright, I'm going to take my weeding tool, just take off the excess and let you see what it looks like. Okay, one corner down and 3 more to go. Okay, so this is one of the pillowcases that I purchased from Amazon. And please excuse the lighting. It was in the wee hours of the morning and the kids were asleep and I did not want to wake them up. And as you can see, I already have my iron hot and ready. I picked this up at Goodwill and I'm dedicating it solely to use for crafts. So I'm just going to refold it and put a slight crease in it just so I can locate the middle. Fold it again. So now I have the center of the pillowcase, but I still want my graphic to be a little bit low. because when the pillow sits and the graphic is directly in the middle, it appears to be at the top more for some reason, so I'm going to bring it down. Alright, so here's my first one. And now I have my iron ready, and it came from Goodwill. When using these particular transfers, the foil side faces upward and the white side down on the fabric. Also, don't worry about the foil melting right here. It comes with a clear protective layer that's heat resistant. Now I'm going to allow it to cool down. Once it cools down, I'll peel the top layer off. Meanwhile, I'll go ahead and iron on the corners. Once I was done with the corners, I slowly peeled off the clear protective cover from my design. And just like that, we have our beautiful decorative pillowcase. Again, like I said earlier, I'm new to this, but I want to try something different. I want to put an additional design on the other side of the pillowcase. So I'm going to insert this piece of cardboard on the inside of my pillowcase to protect my first design. Actually made a mistake. This should have been at the bottom, but that's okay. Got too excited and just didn't even think about what I was doing. Now I'm going to print some corners out for this one as well, but they're going to be different than these corners. So I'm going to let this cool down and then peel it off. And just like that, we have our second beautiful design. So now I'll go and select some corners and then put them on there and surprise you with my selection and let you see it on display. And as promised, here's my beautiful designer inspired pillow. And I must say, I'm very impressed with how it turned out. And I really love the fact that I can change the design of the pillow just by flipping it to the other side. And of course, I had to decorate the second pillow with the gold foil. And I think you'll agree that it's just as beautiful as the silver foil. Okay everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.